To set up a new email account, the first thing you'll need to do is to log into your cPanel with the details that were sent through in the web hosting welcome email. Once you're in the cPanel homepage, you need to click on Email Accounts. And the first thing we're going to do is add a new account. So the first thing you'll do is click into the email box, type in the name of the email account. No spaces allowed. Then we go into the password box, use the password generator. Just make sure that you copy that and save that somewhere. I keep a text file for all the server details, all the email accounts. Once you've copied that and have it in a safe place, tick that box, click on Use Password. Now click on Create Account. It's as simple as that. The new email account is set up. One thing to do, or the next thing to do, is to change the quota, set it to unlimited, and then click on the Change Quota box. That can't be done during the creation process, it's just an anomaly on the cPanel setup. But if you go in each time and set that to unlimited, the reason for doing that is that if you leave it set at 250 megabytes, for example, and that email account gets filled up, it will freeze the whole account, including the hosting. So just go in each time and set the quota to unlimited. Okay, that's how you set up a new account. To delete an account, pretty simple, you click on the delete. You can change your password for an account. That will then obviously make any previous passwords invalid. From here you can also access the webmail. You can also access information to configure your email client if you're using something like Thunderbird or Outlook. Just click on that and it will give you all the details that you need. If we click on Home, that will take you back to the cPanel homepage. One thing I do want to show you is how to set the forwarders up, because it's something I do every time. So you click on Forwarders. What a forwarder does is it basically takes any emails sent to the address on the left here and forwards them onto the address on the right here. Now what I tend to do is that for any website that I'm running, I set up a Gmail account for that site, and then I will forward all the mail from any of the site's email accounts to that Gmail account. It means I can have all the emails delivered in one place, and it means I can access them from my mobile or tab as well as on the computer. To set a forwarder up, it's very simple. You click on the Add Forwarder button here. Type in the email address that's existing on that account that you want to forward, so the new one we just made. In here you type in the email address that you want that to go to. Make sure you don't click anything else. If you click this one, it will discard the email sent and tell the sender that the email cannot get through. So make sure you don't tick that. The advanced options you don't need to worry about. So all you need to do is click on Add Forwarder. Click on Go Back and check that it's been set up. So any emails sent to new@mortgagesmart.nz will go on to mm@netyes.com. Okay, to access the webmail, as I said, for individual accounts, you can come into the email section here. Click on the More button, click on Access Webmail. It's going to try and log you in. If you've been using different accounts, you may well have to enter your username, which is the full email address, and the password that we copied in the setting up of the email account. Once you're in this section, you've got 3 different email clients that you can use. I don't use Webmail a lot, but I tend to find Horde is one of the easiest ones. If you click on this little section here, it will automatically load into the Horde Webmail client each time. If you don't enable that, it will come to this page each time and let you choose which Webmail client you want to use. We'll just click on that and let it load. And then that's the webmail interface. You can look at what's in the inbox, drafts sent pretty much as the same setup as any email client. So that pretty much covers the setting up of email accounts, setting up forwarders, and accessing email on the Webmail client. If there's any other questions or anything else I can help you with, just let me know.